Hi guys, and welcome back to the show, and welcome back to all the subscribers. So this morning I am at Glenfinnan Viaduct. My aim this morning is to try and capture the Hogwarts Express going over the viaduct. I think my main challenge is not to get any tourists in the view or in the picture itself, because it's going to be busy this morning, and it's trying to find a place where I can get the image from. So I'll see you up there. So I've made my way up to the viaduct, and so what I've noticed already behind me over there, up here, there's quite a few tourists gathering up here, so I'm going to stay away from up the top there for the classic shot. I'm actually might push up a bit higher up, but the other side you'll get the back of the train, because the train is due from that side to where I am now. So yeah, so I'm going to push up a bit further and see how we go. Probably a bit higher up in the ferns there. So let's get up there and set my camera up. See you soon. It's starting to build up here now. This is what it's like with the spectators of this bridge itself. I'm not flying my drone here today. I might leave that for another day and possibly, I say possibly, come back to this location, but it should be quite an interesting shot this. First time here, so I'm gonna enjoy it. So I'll see you when the train arrives. Hi guys, so just one on this location and how I'm doing this shot. I don't normally dive straight into my settings, but this time I'm going to actually show you how I'm going to take this shot. So my camera setup at the minute, I've opened up the aperture for that fast shutter speed, where I've focused on a single point on the bridge where the train will cross, and after the train has been, I will close that aperture down, take a nice possibly f11, possibly f16 shot of this, ISO 100 for everything in focus. Then I'll focus stack the train into the shot to make everything crisp. Sweet. Hi guys, and welcome to the next location, Ardnamurchan Lighthouse. In the distance you've got Skye in the distance, just in over here somewhere. What I'm going to do is get the drone up in the air. Hopefully you can hear me now with my new mic installed. And what I'm going to do is going to bounce down here somewhere, get some action shots hopefully of the water. If not, I'll use the rocks as leading lines. The tide's actually coming in at the minute. But absolutely stunning location. I would like to come back here for a sunset, because that would be spectacular in the sunset. Hopefully the tide will be in, but it's a heck of a drive from my leg. Absolutely fantastic. I'm going to get the drone in the air. Let's crack on, get some images done, and as always I'll see you at next location, which will be Sanna Bay, which is just round the corner here somewhere. Fantastic beach, should be empty hopefully anyway, but yeah, let's get on, get some images done, and see you soon. Wow, this should be quite spectacular, this Castle Tioram. Oh, so hard going. I'm absolutely saturated, my trousers are absolutely soaked to the bone. But yeah, let's get up. About another 100 meters to go yet to the top. You can see it behind me. Whew. Right, see you up there. It makes it really worth it when you get views like this. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Right, let me grab 2 minutes, let me compose myself, get my camera set up, and I'll see you in a minute. Hey, look at that. That is absolutely stunning. Oh, whoo. So I'm a bit more composed now. I've got my camera set up, I've had the drone up in the air, but this is a fantastic view here from the this high point here. It's a bit of a struggle to get up to, and you do sweat buckets coming up here on a day like this wearing a Gore-Tex jacket, but absolutely outstanding view. This absolutely beautiful. This castle was recently up for sale, I think, or it might still be, but what a castle this is. And if you can get up to this vantage point up the top here, it's absolutely outstanding. Bit of a steep edge down the bottom there, as you can see, but definitely worth the views. And to get these images up here from this point, hard going getting up here, as you can tell from my try to compose myself earlier, but yeah, absolutely outstanding. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and look forward to the future episodes that I'm going to do on Scotland. It's going to be definitely worth the subscribe and the likes, I think, for the future episodes of Scotland I'm going to do, especially build up to winter. I'm going to do winter in Cairngorms, that's for sure. But yeah, as always, see you at next location. Enjoy the images. Thanks for tuning in.